Which British Pakistani journalist and activist was abducted in Lahore for a few hours on the 5th of June 2018? Gul Bukhari. Which 11 years old Pakistani kid has become so famous as motivational coach in Pakistan, having nearly 1.5 lakh subscribers on his YouTube channel? Hamad Safi. Chinese commercial vehicle brand Jinbei has announced to build vehicle production plant in which country? Pakistan. PTI chairman Imran Khan has announced to contest general elections 2018 from blank constituencies. 5. Through which organization Pakistan and India will take part in a joint military exercise for the first time in August 2018. SCO. Which famous business magnate has called Army Chief Pakistan to acknowledge military's supporting efforts to eradicate polio from Pakistan in June 2018? Bill Gates. Which 6 years old Pakistani girl becomes Pakistan's youngest Guinness World Record holder? Libba Wahaj. According to UN report, Pakistan Indus River is on blank _ spot in the list of countries dumping plastic in rivers. 2nd. Pakistan is considering to take which company to international court over non-settlement of $800 million worth of outstanding privatization proceeds? Etisalat. Which province interim CM has set up a general election complaint and coordination cell at CM House on the 9th of June 2018? Sindh. Who has prohibited the cable operators from airing and broadcasting foreign content on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr? CJP. In 370,000. In 2017-2018 season, Pakistan has exported record blank _ tons of oranges, making this as the highest ever volume in Pakistan's history. 370,000. Libba Wahaj, youngest Pakistani Guinness World Record holder, holds the world record for blank solving a Tower of Hanoi.